Okay, so how do I add an image if I want to on my place marker? Once I have typed up my place marker, I can go to Google, click on images, and search for an image of my choice. In this case, I need a picture of the Space Shuttle launch. Now realize that whatever picture you choose, when you put your mouse on it, you'll see exactly how big it is. In this case, it's 389 by 427. The bigger the picture, the bigger it'll show up on your place marker. So you want to make sure to either choose a small one, or I'll show you a trick and tip on how to make it smaller in just a minute. So let's say I want this one, which is the Space Shuttle launch. I click. I'm still not done yet. I need to click on full-size image. This is the way I want to be able to see the picture in order to use it. Now I go up to the top, highlight the website address, right-click, and copy. Now I go back to Google Earth. When I go into Google Earth, I click the Add Image button, paste in the website address that I just copied, which is another name for URL, and then I click where I would want my picture to be. In this case, I want it under my words. So I get my cursor to be under my words, and then I click OK. It's going to add the code to get that image to show up on my place marker. A lot of times when you switch from plain text to code, it confuses it, and when you try to put in enter in between the two, it doesn't know what that is. So if you need to go back to code to make it do an enter, you can put BR. BR is simply HTML language for enter. So if you notice I put 2 BRs, that means I want 2 enters. I click OK, and now when I click on my point, there's my picture with, if you notice, 2 enters. So that's how to do an image. Now if I wanted to resize this, this is the way to do that. Let me go to edit my point. I'm going to right click on my point and go to properties. You see that it says image source equals. There are some quotation marks, the website address, and then some close quotation marks. Directly after the close quotation marks, I would put this: width equals and height equals. Now I need to go and figure out what is my width and what is my height. Well, when I look at this image, it's 389 by 427. Whatever I do to one, I have to do to the other. So if I divide this in half, I would need to divide this number in half too. For instance, if I wanted to make this picture smaller by half, that's what I would do. So 389 divided by 2, and you're welcome to use your calculator to do this. Just search for calculator, pull it up, type in 389 divided by 2 is 194.5. That's the width. So in my width, I would come over here and put 194.5. Now what's my height? Let's go see. The height is 427. So I go back to my calculator. 427 divided by 2, 213.5. I come in here and type 213.5. Now when I click OK, and I click on my picture point, you can see it resized it by half. That's how to do that.